Are you looking for the best Wi-Fi range extenders? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best Wi-Fi range extenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. TPLink AC1750 Wi-Fi range extender. Although it lacks the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, the TPLink RE450 offers excellent performance at a very reasonable price. When we tested it in 2016, it delivered very good scores on our throughput and range performance tests. This means it's an excellent addition to a network in a larger home that mostly uses older devices also lacking Wi-Fi 6 support. Plus, it's now heavily discounted from its original $120 price. Expect to pay around half that, which is an excellent deal for a solid performing wireless range extender. Anyone with a large house who needs to add reliable Wi-Fi coverage in areas currently lacking it should take a look at the reasonably priced TP-Link RE450. However, you'd want to skip this range extender if you have many Wi-Fi 6 devices, or you plan to buy more in the near future. Number 2. Netgear X4 AC2200 Wi-Fi range extender. A solid alternative to the TP-Link RE450, the Netgear Nighthawk X4 is one of the fastest plug-in range extenders we've tested. True, it lacks Wi-Fi 6 technology, but it offers 2 additional features that budget Wi-Fi 5 range extenders often lack. The first is MIMO technology, which can improve performance if you've got many devices with data-intensive streaming needs connected at once. Second, its overall maximum throughput of 2,200 Mbps is higher than the 1,700 Mbps of extenders like the RE450. As an added bonus, the Nighthawk X4 won't block the second power plug on a typical wall outlet, and its antennas are internal for a cleaner aesthetic. If you know you don't need Wi-Fi 6, but still need a reliable way to extend a network that sees frequent use from multiple data-intensive streams at a time, the Nighthawk X4 is one of your best options. Number 3. Netgear Ax1800 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Extender. If your router is having trouble delivering a strong Wi-Fi signal to certain areas of your home but you loathe the thought of switching between differently named networks for different parts of your house, the Netgear Ax1500 can help. It's easy to install, and you can use it to create a mesh-like network without buying a whole new mesh system, since it supports single SIT naming for seamless roaming. It also supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, and it delivered solid performance on the 5 GHz band in our testing. Do you hate switching between network names as you move in and out of range? It's annoying, but if you've already got a cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 router, you're probably reluctant to ditch it in favor of a whole new mesh system. The Ax15 is a good alternative in this situation, extending the Wi-Fi signal to previously underserved locations in your house while letting you roam seamlessly from room to room without worrying about the name of the network you're on. Number 4. TPLink Ax1500 Wi-Fi 6 range extender. The TPLink RE505X delivered good throughput in testing, but ultimately its more powerful sibling, the TPLink RE603X, offers better overall performance for the same list price. We're still including the RE505X as a top pick because street pricing for range extenders changes frequently. If you can pick it up at a discount, it's a significantly more enticing range extender, and may even be a better choice than the RE603X, which is otherwise nearly identical. If you're looking to extend the wireless range of your Wi-Fi 6 router, or any router for that matter, the RE505X will get the job done. It's very easy to install and offers some useful features including whitelist and blacklist access control and power management settings, and it delivered solid throughput scores in testing.